In this video, we will learn how to calculate the sum of integers using the stream. There are different ways you can achieve this. I'm going to use a mapToInt method. This method takes a mapper as a parameter and it uses it to do the conversion. Then we are going to call the sum method to calculate the sum of streams element. First, I'm going to create a list of integers. I need to import Java util package, and then in main function I'm just going to create a list of integers, and I will name it num for numbers, and I will use arrays method as list to convert this to a list. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and then I will have an integer variable named sum, and I will call our nums method stream, our list method, and then I'm going to call map to int and pass in our integer int value, and now just need to call the sum to sum these numbers, the sum function, and it will return the sum over here, and then we can just print out our sum. Sum is equal to our sum variable, and just need to save and run our program. And here is the sum of our numbers. So this way you can calculate the sum of numbers by using the stream API. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.